Have your heatless curls ever looked like this? I feel like all heatless curl tutorial videos are missing a key part. Like you have to show what it looks like when you first woke up and you look all sorts of crazy because things move around while you sleep. This is exactly how I took mine out and there is no editing. I just sped it up so that you guys can see exactly how I went from that to what it looks like after. I literally just flipped my head over, worked my hands in, and this is what it looked like. Now, the second thing people don't show you is the back. So let's do it. I wanted to show you guys what the back looked like. There were some gentle knots I had to kind of use my fingers to get out, but I thought the back looked really good. And then the last part of the tutorial that you're missing is what to actually do. So I took the hair that's at the very front of my face and I pulled it into a Velcro roller and I actually just rolled that into itself and put the rod in between. Now I'm pulling the hair very tight and I'm pulling up at a diagonal. Every time it gets to the back, I add a little bit more hair, but when it comes to the front, I'm just wrapping very tight, making sure it's clean lines. We don't want to have any tangles. And I'm just wrapping. Every time I get to the front, I'm adding more hair. I pull it around, pull it tight, pull it around, and then I add more hair. Once I get to about the ear level, I'm done adding the hair, and then I'm just wrapping it tight. Now a key part is to add in the scrunchie, and then everyone forgets to push it up. I'll link the tool that I used. Good luck, guys.